Welcome to my messy desk. Now, this is not my desk. It's the floor on the laundry room. But it will do for this video. My desk is so messy that I don't want it on a tape. In August this year, I did join the DearJulieJulie Junk Journal Challenge. And as a part of this, we had to make a video to show off how we had solved the task. And this video I'm going to show off the 3 single signature journals I did make with all the embellishment and items we had to make. 8 of each item, similar but not the same. And this is what I made. We had to make alternate paper clips. For this one I got the idea from a YouTube channel. I will link it down below. Mini notebooks, we had to make 8. Tags, book page pockets. You can write on the back. On each item we had to use 3 things. This is a flip page, and it's considered the base, and we had to do 3 things on top of it, on everything. The altered paper clip, got book page, designer paper, and some stamping, a little bit of paint pour. So all things need to have 3 extra things on top of them. That's the challenge, real challenge. And we had to make crinkly, use paper that we normally, and most of us normally don't use, just to test new things. Page tabs, and pockets, parchment pockets, page flips. The pages need to be decorated more, but for the challenge, this is what she asked for. A little belly band on the front. That's the first one. I do have a video with the half dance. This one do not have a gator mouth, and I do not think I am going to add a closure to it. And if so, just a ribbon but this one I wanted to close, as it do have more items that can maybe fall out. Journaling cards, 8 of them we had. Belly bands. This one got a little tuck. You can write on this paper. Tiny envelopes. As you see, they're very similar, so they can fit into one journal, all the items. And the 3 journals can easily stand alone, but together they do look very nice. Pockets, made of book pages. This was number 2. More decoration will be done later, but for now I think I solved the problem. The challenge what the challenge asked for. This one I used a Reader Digest book as the base for the cover and closed it with a simple ribbon. This got more in it since it got a very stiff and secure cover. Small stuff. As you see, this is my paint pour. I had to play metallic and acrylic paint. Mix it with glue. Works fine. Not going to do that again. I promise. It was messy. Super messy. Journaling cards. Page to write on. Small notebooks. Corners. And the clusters are used as the tabs. First I made them and then I turned them into something else. And that is my 3 journals for the Dear Julie August challenge.